Hi friends, do you have a place that you just love to hang out during the summer? For me, it is outside. I absolutely love hanging out on my porch or my patio. My porch gives me at least an extra 50 square feet of square footage, and my patio quite a bit more. It is the best way to extend your house and extend the square footage during the summer is to decorate it and make it cozy and inviting. So today I am going to take you with me to do some updates on my patio to make it a little bit more inviting and clean it up a little bit. And I'll also share with you some of my DIYs that have been there for years through all the seasons that have held up. And also today I'm going to share with you one of my favorite recipes during the summer. It is a peach crisp. It is so good and the rest of my family loves it. And so I'm going to share that with you today. My name is Alicia. I'm from thriftyandchic.com. Let's go.
All right, let's go out to my patio. I needed to freshen this up a bit and clean it up a bit. It got kind of gross from the past few storms and winter pretty much. I got rid of this old rug. This rug reminded me too much of my parents' old house for some reason. I don't quite know why, but there's something about it. And so I wanted to freshen up the space first with a new rug. And I got this one from Home Depot. And it is so pretty, but it also is white. I don't know what I'm thinking. I'm like tempting the fates here, putting a white rug outside. It's an indoor, outdoor rug, so I think it'll be okay. But we'll only time will tell, right? Now I'm going to bring these chairs back on here. These are the first DIY that I absolutely love. I bought these maybe or not bought them, built them probably about 10 years ago, and they have held up so well through everything. And so they're heavy too. Good heavens, they are so heavy. So I put those back on there, and then that tree stump is another DIY that I shared just a second ago. I just painted that tree stump, just found it outside somewhere, and it's a really good table. And yeah, now I am definitely the one person who is vacuuming outside. This is a thing now, especially with this white rug. I'm totally doing that. Now it's time to update these chairs. I found these really pretty ruffle cushions from Target from the Studio McGee line. And I missed the memo on the fact that they were supposed to be for the bottom of chairs, but once I realized that was what it was for, I didn't care. They looked so cute on the back of these chairs as well. And so I'm keeping them there. And then I would love to update things with blankets just to add a little bit more cozy and texture. And so this is actually a Turkish towel. So it's pretty lightweight, but perfect for cool summer nights. And then adding extra things with baskets full of faux flowers. And I love to use stools outdoors for the extra plants and places to put your computer and stuff when you work. And then here's little Willow. She is anticipating this. This is actually for my feet, but it has turned out to be for her. She loves to sleep on these cushions outside. And now the update, I also put some new pillows out here. These pillows are just beautiful and I love them. I'll link to them in the description below. Adding a little bit more layers and lanterns and baskets are a must, and even putting live plants in baskets. I think add that little extra whimsy as well, and definitely some texture that is needed. And so this whole spot is just one of my favorite places to have coffee in the morning and read a book and hang out at night. And it's so cozy. I didn't show you the other side. You might be able to see it in a minute, but this other side has just a whole row of bushes. So I cannot be seen from the street, which is really the best, right? It is my own little secluded oasis, essentially. All right, now we're going to get on to this peach crisp. So I make it super easy and just use 2 cans of organic peaches, and then half a cup of flour, half a cup of sugar. So mine's coconut sugar, a teaspoon of cinnamon. And I mix those all up, and then I cut up another half a cup of butter, salted butter this time, and put it in there, and use a pastry cutter and kind of just crumble it up as best as I can. And I truly give too much. And then 1 cup of oats. That was half a cup, but I actually added 2 in there. Then you pour it over the peaches and you cook it on 350 degrees Fahrenheit for about 30 minutes, and it comes out so delicious. I actually sometimes love to leave a little bit of the water in the peaches or the juice in the peaches left so it kind of gets more of the dry mixture. And this is one of my favorite summertime treats. Once it's a little cooled off, I top it with some whipped cream, or you could do it with some ice cream, and it is delicious, you guys. All right, have a wonderful summer. I hope you enjoyed this episode of Thrifty and Chic.